Okay, good day no sa ating lahat. Okay, so ngayon naman ay we're going to have this topic no changing fractions to lowest terms. Okay, in the previous video, okay, so we had learned about fractions, no, the parts of the fractions, identifying proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. So now we're now going to have changing fractions to lowest terms. No, how to change a fraction into its lowest term, no? So that's why as I told you, no, na mas very important ang katong pagkakatuon ninyo dito sa katong tawag na to ni GCF and LCM. So that was a very important, no? So very important nga inyo atong inyo atong ma-learn, no? So okay, so let's start. Okay, a fraction is in its lowest terms when the numerator and the denominator do not have any common factors other than 1. So, pag ang fraction with the numerator and denominator no wala na sila common factors no other than 1. So that's why na sila sa lowest term. To express a fraction in its lowest terms, divide both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor or GCF. So we had learned in the previous videos on how to get a GCF, no, using a prime factorization, a factor tree, continuous divisions. Okay, so let's practice. So we have here an example. Okay, so write 1620 in lowest terms. So as we see 1620, no, solution, step 1. Find the GCF of the numerator and the denominator either by using the prime factors or by listing the factors of each number, no? By using the prime factors, or no, we could see that one of 16, no, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, no, upat ka 2, then 20, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, no, pwede ta mo gamit og factor 3 ani. Okay, so pwede mo gamit og factor 3, no, 16 and 20. So diba, 4 times 4. Okay, no, prime factorization. So pwede ta mo gamit. So prime factorization, no, ang 2 kanang mga 2 mga prime numbers mo na siya. Okay, mo na sa atong ipang encircle kay wala. Okay, so sa pwede 5, 4, then 2, then 2, no? So kana siya 5, 2, 2, no, kung imong tan-awon mao ra gid dito then i-paired lang dayon. Okay, so pwede ra mo gamit. Okay, prime factorization using a either using continuous division or a factor 3. So ang kuan dayon, no, ang pares dayon, no, ang like a pair lang, no, 2 to 4. So sa to pa 4, no, so 4 ang common factor sa 16 og 20, no, by no. So 4, no, pwede mo ta 1 to 4, 8, 16, no, by listing, no, divide here, no. So wait lang ha. Okay, next, no, divide the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the GCF. So 4, no, 4. 16 divide 4. 4 ang i-divide sa 16 ug sa 24, no, isa lang ka number. Okay, 16 divide 4, 4. 20 divide 4 is 5. So the answer is 4/5. No, the lowest term of 1620, the lowest term of 1620 is 4/5. So 4/5 is what? Proper or improper fraction? Okay, that is a what? Okay, you're correct, no? So if you're thinking that it is proper, so proper fraction na siya, no? Dili na nato kinahanglan pa i-simplify na pod, no? Next, no? Okay, here. Okay, if the GCF seems to be a big number, you may also use a continuous division. So this is another This is another example, no? So 180 and 210, no? So okay, so step 1, no, divide the number and the denominator by one of their common factors. Let us try dividing them by 10. So 180 200 by over 210, divide 10, 10, no? 180 divide 10 is 18, then 210 divide 10 is 21, no? Continue dividing until the fraction is reduced to its lowest term. So 18, no? Mao na siya nabili, no? 18, 21. So unsa may common factor sa 18 ug 21, pwede gyapon mo mogamit og continuous division, or either you could think a number nga pwede magamit nga magamit pag divide, no? Magamit, no, nga atong magamit, no, for example 18, 21. So 18 pwede divisible siya sa 3, 21 divisible siya sa 3. So common, no, common factor nila. Therefore the simplest form of 180 over 210 is 6 7, and that's still a proper fraction. Okay? Next tayo. Okay, so here, no, use continuous division, no, kini siya 60 and 330. So kung ato ni siyang ikuan, no, dagko mong gid kanilang gihatag nga examples. Okay, so 60 and 330. So think of a number nga pwede na to magamit sa pag-divide, no? Or pwede gyapon ta mogamit og continuous division. So gigamit lang nila 10, no? Kay kining kuan, kining 60 ug 330 ma-divisible siya by 10, no? So mo na siya magawa 633, no? But i-reduce pa gid na ang 633, i-reduce pa gid na kay napa man na sila common factor, di ba? 3. O mo na to siya ang ning 2, 11 ang ning gawas. Okay? So nakuha ninyo? Okay, here, no? So wait lang. Okay, now solve the problem. No, Ella saves 100 pesos of her 500 pesos weekly allowance. Therefore, the fraction represents her saving is 100 over 500. No, simplify this fraction to its lowest term by dividing the numerator and denominator by their GCF, which is 100. No, 100 ang GCF sa 100 og 500. So, ang result is 1/5. Thus, Ella's savings is 1/5 of her allowance. So, ang savings ni Ella, ang fraction form ana, no, 100, no, 1/5 dito sa 1/5 ang iyahang ang representation ana. Ella saves 100 pesos and spends 250 for her food, no. Hence her remaining money for school supply is 500 minus 100 minus 250 pesos. Then the answer is 150 pesos. Thus 150 over 500 represents her allotted budget for school supplies. Simplify this fraction by continuous division. Okay, so okay. Okay, so 150 over 500, no, divide 10. Kay 10 man ang ilahang common factor. Okay, bisan paggamiton po nato continuous division or prime factorization using factor 3. So 15 ang result, no, 15 50. Then 1550 still naghapunay nagapon sila common factors, which is 5, di ba? 310 pag result 310, so wala na common factor ang 3 ug ang 10. Okay, so therefore Ella spends 310 of her allowance for school supplies. Okay, next tayo, no, reduce the following fractions in lowest terms. So 10, okay, at 1040. Okay, so si 1040, okay, so si 1040, unsa may think of a number nga pwede na to magamit sa ilaha. Okay, pwede po ito magamit og 10, no? 10, divide nato na sila 10, no? Then 10 divide 10, 1. Then 40 divide 10, 4. Okay, so 1/4 ang lowest term sa 1040. So 1/4, no? Let's try kung ato ging tinambanon, no? Kung atong tinambanon, no, 10 gamit ta og gatong no, you may refer also to the other videos nga akong i-attach pod ha. Okay, so 2 10 to 5, no? So no, kuha na siya 2 to 5, no? Kung gamit atong factor 3. Okay, prime factorization using factor 3. Okay, 40. Okay, 4 times 10 or depende, no, but okay, 2 times 2, the next 2 times 5, no? So ato nang ikuha na pila ni siya ka 2, no? 1 2 3 tutulok sa 40. So tulo 1 1 2 3 then isa ka 5. So ang paired lang na atong i-cancel out. So na isa ka pares nga 2, then isa ka pares nga 5. So ang pares 2 kay GCF man, no? GCF ha, GCF atong gikuan ha. GCF. Okay, 2 times 5 equals 10. Okay? So okay, 10, no? So ang common factor nila 10, no? So kung ato bang gagamiton, so mo tong 1/4. Okay? Di ba? So the answer is 1/4, no? The lowest term of 1040 is 1/4. Okay, next, no, reduce the fractions in lowest term, no, 648, no? So unsa man ang common factor sa 6 of 48? Pwede pod 6, no, di ba? Pwede pod 6. May magtinambang ta gamit ta og atong factor 3. Prime factorization using a factor 3, no? Tinambanon nato. Okay? So atong ato ang tinambanon eh. Okay? So tinambanon tani ha. Okay, 6 and 48. Okay. So 2 times 3, di ba? Pwede. Sa 6, 48, no? 6 times 8. Okay, 2 times 3. And then 4 times 2. Okay, GCF man atong ipangita pagkuan ha, GCF ang pagpangita sa gamit ani diri GCF. Okay? So sa 6, so naatay ang iyang kuano 2 and 3. And then sa 48 natay 2, no, pila ka 2, 1 2 3 4, upat ka 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4, then isa ka 3, no? Ang mga prime numbers. Okay, so paired na to 2, 2, then isa ka 3. Okay, so isa ka 3. Di ba? So 2 times 3, 6. So ang common factor nila 6, no? Di ba? Pwede ra ka maguna-una oy. So yung common factor nila kay 6 kay pwede man magamit sa pag-reduce na to. Okay, so 6. 6, no? 6 divide 6, pila man? 1. 48 divide 6, pila? 8. Oh, siguro ang answer na 1/8, no? Ang 1 ug 8 wala na sila common factor, di ba? Bisan pag mo gamit kag factor 3. Okay, so let's find out if the answer is correct. Okay, so 1/8. Next, now reduce the following fractions in lowest terms. Okay, so okay ba, paki-comment daw if nasabtan ba ninyo? Okay, so 8 and 20. So unsa man pwede pod, no? Nga common factor. Pwede pod ta magsugod sa 2. Kung divisible lang duha ka number sa 2, pwede ta magsugod ana pero malangan, no? Pero okay ra gyapon, no? Pwede ta magsugod sa 2. Okay? Kung magsugod ta sa 2, magsugod ta sa 2. 8 divide 2, 4. 20 divide 2, 10. Still, no, napaghapoy common factor ng 4 ug 10. Ma-reduce paghapon na siya. Pwede na po mo gamit og 2 gihapon. No, kay kuan man, no? Kung tanaw na to, 2. 2, no? Divisible man ang 4 ug 10 sa 2. Okay, 2, then fifth. Okay? So ang 2 ug ang 5 wala na lang sila common factor, no? Bisa pag mo gamit ang factor 3, so 2/5 ang answer. So i-try na to sa tinamban 8 and 20. Okay? So 4 times 2, 8 na siya. Okay, then 2 times 2. The next 2 times 10. 5 times 2 or 2 times 5, no? So ato nang kuan, no? So 1 2 3, no? Tulo ka 2 1 2 3. The next kining 20. So pila 1 2 8 1 2 then 5, no? So bring down, no? Ang paired, no? Kay GCF man ta. Okay, so 4. Oh, ba 4, oh, divide 4. Gamitan na nato sila, common factor daw nila kay 4. Okay? So 4. Okay. So 8 divide 4, 2. Then 20 divide 4, 5, no? So the answer is 2/5. Okay, so let's see. Okay, very good, no? The answer is 2/5 ang iyahang answer. Okay? So reduce the following fractions in lowest terms, no? 18 and 27. So what is the common factor of 18 and 27? So paggamit nimo og continuous division, no? So kung ako tanaw na ko ba ang common factor ani nila unsa man? Ang common factor ani nila pwede 9 or pwede gapon 3, no? Kung 9 ta, pas siguro ni siya. Okay, common factor nila be 18 divide 9, 2, and 27 divide 9, 3. So the answer is 2/3. Ang lowest term, no? Ang lowest term sa 1827 is 2/3. Okay? Pero kung gamitan po nato og tinamban katong prime factorization using a factor 3. So 9 times 2, 3 times 3. Oh, wala naman, no? So 9 times 3, no? 9 times 3 equals 27. Then 3 times 3. Okay? So 18, 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, yung sa 27 po. Okay, 3, no? Tulo ka 3, 1, 2, and 3. So ang paired naman nga itong kwaon. So ang kung ano kay GCF man ta. GCF man natong paggamit, no? Dili pa tong LCM. Okay, so the answer is 9. So ang ilang common factor 9, no? So same ra gyapon, no? 9 divide 9. Oh. No? So 18 divide 9, 2. Then 27 divide 27 divide 9, 3. So the answer is 2/3, no? So tanawon daw na to kung 2/3 ba gid. Okay? Okay, so very good, no? So reduce the following fractions in lowest term 9, 9 and 12, no? So tanaw pa lang nimo daan unsa man ang ilang common factor? 3, no? Kung ako 3 akong gamiton. 3 para sa ako 3 ang ilang common factor. So 9 divide 3, 3. 12 divide 3, 4. So the answer is 3/4. Okay, kung ato po siyang tinambanon, okay? Tinambanon po nato siya, ato po siyang step by step. Okay, so 3 times 3. Okay, 4 times 3. Actually, no, you can refer to the video nga ako pong i-post dito. Okay, kung mag-send ko ni og to-dos. Okay? Or na pa other videos kung dili kay ni sa inyo klaro nga video, so pwede mo refer ato. Okay? So 9, no? So 3 times 3. Okay, so 12. Sa 12 no, natay 3 2 2 no. So duha ka pares nga duha ka 2 1 2 then isa ka 3. So isa lang ka paired no, diba? Isa lang ka paired ang na 3 ug 3 no. Sa 9 okay na. Okay ha, always remember your skills in GCF no. So 9. Okay, so no, 3 ra day 3, sorry 3. So ang common factor nila 3 no. So mao lang 3/4 mao ra gyapon. So let's see if our answer is correct. So our answer is correct. Next, no, reduce the following fractions in lowest term. So 8 and 80. So tanaw pa lang nako dana na ang common factor gidana nila para sa gid sa ako is 8. 8. Oh. 8. Oh. Tanawa 1 and 10. Oh. 8 divide 8 1. Oh. 80 divide 8 10 no. So ang 1 ug 10 wala na sila common factor. So kung ato pong gamitan og katong so 2 4 no, 2 times 4 8 no. So 2 times 2. Okay, next 20 times 4 no. Okay. 5 times 4 2 times 2. Then next 2 times 2. Okay, so 8 ta. So 8 no, pila ka prime 1 2 3 no, tulo ka 1 2 3. Sa 80 so pila 1 2 3 4 no, upat ka 2. Kaya ang prime factorization prime 2. So ang paired na nila 1 2 3 no. So tulo ka parisan no. So 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 no. So mao ra gyud no 8. So the answer is 110. No, kung tanaw gani ninyo ang common factor ani nila kini kay kining duha ka kining numerator og denominator no. Factor gid niya kay divisible gid siya no, divisible gid ni sila. Next no, reduce. Okay no, reduce the following fractions in lowest term no, 3 24. No, 3 and 24. So sa ako ana tan-aw nako ang common factor ana nila 3. No, tan-aw nako ana common factor ana nila 3. Okay, so 3 divide 3 1 24 divide 24 divide 3 pila man? 8 no. So let's find out no kung kan bagid no. So sa 3 wala naman no, 3 times 1 or 1 times 3. Diba? Sa 24 6 times 4 3 times 2 then 2 times 2 no. So 3 pwede naman dili na pilo ng 1 no. So 3 sa 24 1 1 2 3 4 no. Okay, 1 2 3 then no. So common na 3 ang partner lang nila. So 3. So the answer is 18 no. Tanaw na to 18. Okay, so mao gyud no. So you may refer also to the other videos no para mas malinawan pa mo. Okay? So that's how easy to change fractions to its lowest terms. Okay? So basic pa lang to. Okay? So magamit na nato no kanang changing fractions to its lowest terms kumuadto na ta sa adding of fractions to adding of similar fractions, adding of dissimilar fractions, subtracting of how to subtract fractions, similar and dissimilar fractions, and also sa mga mixed numbers plus proper fractions. So kana siya magamit na nato na kanang skills nga atong makuha diri sa pag sa pag change sa pagkuha ng lowest term sa fractions. Okay, thank you. and God bless.